So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem which says VGK.sys BSOD in Valorant, and it just gives you a blue screen and it says your PC ran into a problem. So how to fix this? Let's get started. First, what you need to do is go over to your desktop and then open control panel. Once you do this, here make sure the view by is set to category and then click on uninstall a program. Here you have to search for Riot Vanguard and then right click on it and then click on uninstall. Once you do this, just wait for it to uninstall and then open Riot client. Just search for Riot client, and once Riot client opens, just go over to Valorant and then it will say to install or update. Just click on this and it will reinstall Riot Vanguard and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.